I just made this awesome Jack Rose cocktail. Stick with me, I'll show you how you can do the same. Hey everybody, welcome to another An Idiot's Liquor. Today I'm making this drink, the Jack Rose cocktail. Now the drink gains its name, of course, not only from the rosy color that is achieved when it's made, but also from the main ingredient, which is apple brandy, otherwise known as Applejack. This is what goes together to make a truly delicious cocktail. So let's get into it, let's put it together. It's really easy. I'll show you how. Alright, exciting. This is a great drink and so good. I hope you'll like it. We're going to start things off with some brandy. Applejack, as I said, it was previously called. I'm using Laird's straight apple brandy. Pretty good solid type, about 20 bucks a bottle. And it's going to be 2 ounces of apple brandy. That's going to be the only liquor going on in this drink. Next up, we're going to add in a little bit of grenadine. By a little bit, I mean 3/4 of an ounce. I usually home make my grenadine, but in this case, I have store-bought. It's pretty decent stuff, so. Finally, it's time to crack open a lime. We're going to slice a lime. And we're going to juice this baby off. The hopes are to get 3/4 ounces of lime juice, which you should get out of a lime. Usually you'll get anywhere from 3/4 to 1 ounce out of a lime that I've found, depending. And yes, 3/4 ounces. I'm going to put that right in to the mixing tin. Next I'm going to take some cracked crushed ice and put it into the mixing tin. We're going to shake this for about 15-20 seconds. After that, we got ourselves a chilled glass, and we're just going to strain the cocktail into a chilled glass. I'm using a coupe glass because I think it just looks really good presentation-wise. As you can see, a very nice pinkish, rosish color to it. And all we're going to do is garnish this with a lime wheel. And folks, that is all there is to making the Jack Rose cocktail. Truly delicious, something you definitely want to try. Alright, time for the Jack Rose cocktail. It's a great balance of flavors. Citrusy, fruity, there's not a lot of bite from the alcohol. This is really a good drink. One of my favorites I've had in a while, actually. And just in case it's your first time here, I'm doing this kind of stuff all the time. If you're interested in seeing even more, click on the subscribe button. It's down below. There's a bell icon that you can also click on. That way you'll never miss an episode. YouTube will notify you every time I make some more drinks. So until next time, I want to thank you for watching this one. And remember, if this idiot can do it, so can you. Cheers.